Is it gross?
Yeah.
You want to lick it?
Hmm.
You don't? No? Okay, you don't have to lick it. Of course you don't have to lick it.
Drink yours.
You want to drink that? No.
Mine.
So, Merrick,
Yeah.
Mom left us this.
Oh no.
Oh no. This is a honeydew list. Mom wants us to do something and she left us the package. Do you want to unwrap the package? You want to unwrap that present that Mom left us?
Yeah. I want to do it.
Let's get a drink first.
Let's take a green. That's good.
Oh, it's so shiny. Look at that. Let me pick it up out of there. Oh, wow. It's so shiny. We really need a new one of these. Yeah, you got the packaging. There's an instruction manual. No, we don't need that. Plumber's putty. First, we gotta take this out and let me show you up in here close. Right here, there's a little knob. Oh, you see that drip of water? There's a leak going on right here. This is another reason why we're replacing this, is the leakage. But there's a little knob, and we have to get that to switch. Yeah, no cheer for leakage. And all you do is you take a screwdriver and stick it in these little ears. You see that, Merrick?
Yeah.
You stick it in those little ears and you twist this out, okay? And I'm gonna give you a little under view. There you go, see? Just comes right out. Oop, drip on my phone. Comes right out, and I'm gonna show you the inside of this thing because it is nasty. Okay, and then I gotta put you down for a second. You gotta untwist this connector pipe and pull it off, okay? And I forgot to unplug it, but that's to be one of the first things you do. But check this out, Merrick, come here and look at this. Come here and look at the inside of this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, gross.
Oh, gross.
Is that gross or what? That's nasty. And I'm confident that the inside of this pipe is going to be super gross too. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, gross. I really don't like these connectors. They just build it. I mean, this is a drain for a garbage disposal. Do you see in there? Look in there.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think? So next, now that we have this unit out, we got to get also this piece out. And these come out really easy. There's just this little, like, there's either a metal ring or a plastic thing, and you just pop that off, and it comes right out. You see this? There's a little lip right there that it sits up in, and that's what holds it on there. And it seals it as well. Well, this one wasn't working so good. Wasn't sealing so good. So there you go, there's that. And then the next step, Merrick, the next step that we have is this part. Can you come here? I need your help. Okay, come here. And we're gonna reach in there. Okay, we're gonna reach in there and we're gonna pull that thing off.
Give me that thing.
Come on, come here. You can have that later. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up my britches. Okay. Now we gotta twist this thing off, and it's kind of hard. And sometimes you even have to use a big wrench. But this thing right here, we're gonna twist it. And I felt it was loose earlier. Okay. There you go. Okay, can you twist that off? Here, come in here. Come in here. Twist it off. Can you do that? Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Did you get some water on your hands? You're fine. Oh, gulp. It's gonna fall off. It's gonna fall off soon. It's gonna fall off. Here, go look in there. Look in there what you're doing. Look in at what you're doing. You see that? And you twist. Whoa! All right, you got it. Now push up on that thing. Can you push up? Push up hard. Oh, you got it. You got it. Look. Okay, so we've cleaned this up, and it's out of there. We've got this thing in there, this rolled up, and and then you're gonna put it in there. You want to put it in there?
No. Yeah.
Put it in there. Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead. You got it. You got it. Mommy's gonna be so happy. Look at how nice that looks. Doesn't that look nice? We're gonna squeeze it down, and then around this edge, there's gonna be that plumber putty's gonna go and squish out. Is that gonna be awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Come on. Ready? Back down below. We're going to stick this on there, and the ring, and this will push it up against the bottom. Okay? Are you rolling a snake? Good. Roll that snake out so that we can use it next time. You're doing so good. That looks so good. All right. It's kind of like Play-Doh, huh? Okay. Ah, it's a snake. It's a snake. Ah. Are you trying to get me with that snake?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's 4 pieces actually, that go under the sink that I didn't show you. There's this piece, there is this piece. There is a fiber gasket that goes above, and then there's this snap ring that goes down below. Now, all three of these things fit on that piece that we just put in the sink. Now, they all three of these pieces go up above, and then this snap ring snaps into this little groove right there at the bottom. And just put your weight right there. You can also put the garbage disposal on there if you don't have small children right near. Oh, we don't even need a screwdriver right here. We can just do it with our fingers. You ready for the very last part?
Yeah.
Okay, so the very last part is screwing this thing, and you just stick a screwdriver right into this hole, like a American screwdriver. You stick it in the hole, and you twist it until it locks in place. It'll lock in place. It has this little like ridge that as you screw it up, it'll go right over this little lip. Should I do it with you in there? Yeah, do you want to be in there? Okay, we're gonna do it around you. Then it's gonna go like that. Oh, I missed. Okay, hold on. Okay, come on out. Come on out. There you go. You were such a good help in there. What are you playing with? What is it? Is it Play-Doh?
Yeah.
No, it's plumber's putty. Let me see if I can show you a closer, better shot. This piece has to go over that. There's like a little metal hump that you gotta just get it to slide over. And what you do is you stick your screwdriver right in there and twist until it'll pop. Let me get this other one so you can see. Go on this other. And did you feel it? Did you see that pop when I just did that? That was it. And then you can just pull your screwdriver out, and it's in, and it should be sealed. What we need to do, you see these two screw holes? If you have a dishwasher, you're gonna need to connect it right there, and you have to punch this hole out so it goes into so the water can drain into the disposal. It's in place. All we have to do is connect this hose and this hose. So you unscrew this, and then it'll, and then you can slide it on the pipe, and then you'll crinkle this up and get this side on over here. Once you get that popped on there, you just twist until it's nice and snug tight. And it doesn't need to be super tight. You don't need to be a He-Man. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Last step, plug it in.
Plug it in.
Merrick, we finished. Let's mark this off. Garbage disposal honeydew, done. We've got lots coming, and we're really excited to do more projects. Make sure you subscribe and check out our new videos as we get them posted. See you later. Can you wave?
No.
Wave. There you go. All right. See you later. You're sticking it on my arm. You're just sticking it on the stove right there. There's a big smudge mark. Look at that smudge mark from you, you little stinker.
No, you didn't let them stink.
Oh, really?
Yucky, yucky, yucky. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Yucky, 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 yucky. Yucky, yucky. That's yucky, yucky, yucky. That's yucky, yucky.